Just go ahead and fill this out, and we'll get you started.
Sounds great. Bow! Boom! Bang, 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 bang! Bang, bang, bang! Bang, bang! Bang, bang! Do I need to put my email address in here? Bang, bang, bang! Bang, 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 bang! Pow! Bang, pow! Bang, 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 bang! Bang, bang!
Dum 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 dum.
Cool.
Nice muscle shirt, bro.
The skin is in, bro.
Guys with biceps and tries, bro.
Hulk out with your bulk out, bros.
And that's why I don't like gyms.
Matt, we're not a gym. We're Planet
If you
Fitness.
can't handle the big girls workout, the little girls gym is right across the street. Go ahead and play jumpity jump rope, hopscotch, or whatever it is that little girls do. If you're committed to this workout, the way you're committed to that morning donut, you'll be puking out your ears right now. Pukerella, you'll be puking out your ears right now.
And that's why I don't like gyms. Well, we're not a gym. We're Planet Fitness.
What do you do for a living?
I lift things up and put them down.
Excuse me?
I lift things up and put them down.
Okay, here's the strength circuit.
I lift things up and put them down.
Over here,
I lift things up and put them down.
and this is our stretching area.
I lift things up.
Dum 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 dum.
Serious burn on today, bro. Deep down in here. Did you get your burn on?
I guess so.
Bros know when they get the burn on.
Maybe here?
No, bro. Bros know. Burning.
And that's why I don't like gyms. Well, we're not a gym. We're Planet Fitness.